And now we're making ravani. It's a Greek traditional sweet. And we will serve it at the main meal with a scoop of ice cream. So at the beginning we strain the eggs with some sugar and we have this result. We add some orange from the outside of the orange.
The rind.
The rind, yes. And drop of vanilla.
Vanilla.
Liquid, yes,
Vanilla.
aroma inside. And 4 spoons of milk. Now we add the flour mixed with semolina and a spoon of baking powder. And we add little, we mix it very careful because there is air inside and we want to be nice and nice looking and nice tasting. So when we put all the flour and semolina in the eggs, we'll put all this and after we mix it very well, we're ready to put it in a Pyrex. We first spread some butter in all over the Pyrex and now we put in here all the mixture. You see that the color is close to yellow and orange because our eggs were very nice, fresh eggs with the orange color. And now we have already our oven on in 180 degrees and we put our Pyrex for about 40 minutes and then we take it out and wait to be cold. We are going to make some syrup with 4 glasses of sugar and 4 glasses of water. Just boil for 5 minutes and we put it in our cake. And we can cut it after at least 2 hours because it has to be cold. And we will serve it with a scoop of ice cream.
Πολύ ωραία. Δόξα τω Θεώ.